How do you combine the enterprise systems world with the big data world? Join SAP Mentor Chris Kernaghan as he chats with Matthias Kretschmer, Product Manager, SAP Data Hub, and how SAP BW for HANA and SAP Data Hub are a perfect match. Hi, I'm Chris Kernaghan. I'm here at SAP Tech Ed Barcelona 2018. We're having a brilliant conference. I'm here with Matthias, and we've been talking about BW for HANA and SAP Data Hub as an enterprise data warehouse. So Matthias, some great news about Data Hub 2.3, but how does that actually fit in a modern data warehousing scenario for customers? Can you speak a little bit about that?
Sure. So, I mean, what we see, of course, in such a modern data warehouse landscape, we see, first of all, the data warehousing component.
Yeah.
So, with all the structured data, which is coming from ERP systems, CRM systems, HR systems, you have the standardized data models in it, harmonized data, which are ready to be consumed, for example, by an analytical application.
Yep.
So, this is one thing. This is what we have on the one hand, but on the other hand,
what we're used to, yes.
Exactly. Now, what we see nowadays more and more are next to that data warehouse component is a data lake. So, a data lake component, so to say, where unstructured data is stored, so to say.
This is the stuff we're not quite so familiar with, yes.
Exactly. Sensor data, social media data, and so on and so forth.
Excellent, excellent. And if we were to put this into a customer context, sort of an example, what would a reference architecture sort of look like? What would be the components in that? And a possible example?
So, I have to say here that integration is key here. So we want to combine those two worlds, so the data lake and the data warehouse component. This is what we want to do. And we can do this, for example, by using Data Hub data pipelines, for example.
My favorite feature.
Yeah.
I love it.
Okay, good to hear, good to know. Those data pipelines are used to transform unstructured data, bring it into a format which is ready for consumption, so to say.
Okay, yeah.
And so with data pipelines, we can feed a BW for HANA system, for example, with that unstructured data.
Okay, yes.
So we have that one direction we are supporting here. So from, with the help of Data Hub into BW, but we also support the other way around.
Oh, okay. Can you talk a little bit more about that? How does that work?
The other way around is actually that out of BW you can create snapshots of your data in the BW for HANA system, so based on BW queries, based on BW info providers, for example, and we can store that information then within SAP Data Hub.
Wow. That's excellent.
And then our data scientist community can, for example, use that data, combine it with some unstructured data coming out of the data lake, and they can apply some machine learning or predictive capabilities on top of it.
Fabulous. And you've probably done some POCs and this sort of stuff. And so is it real?
It is real. So we have done real projects, real pilots, real proof of concepts together with certain customers, and there was one in Europe. Which is actually producing some energy drinks. So
excellent. Fabulous.
And they actually wanted to know how effective their marketing campaigns are.
Yes.
And
so what were they doing? So they taking social media data, sentiment analysis? What were they doing there?
They actually had 35 different social media sources, so Twitter, Facebook, and what have you. And
One or two.
That's a huge amount of data sources, and all of them were containing some customer feedback information.
Fabulous.
And with the help of SAP Data, with our data pipelines, with our data workflows, we were massaging, we were transforming that data and moving it into BW so that we were able to combine the enterprise data, the corporate master data, with that cleansed and structured customer feedback information.
Wow, that's a really powerful message. That is excellent. Well, we're out of time. Thank you very much for the chat. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching.
Welcome.
And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.